Let's see how we do with precision landing here.
Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or any of the videos on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. DJI came out with a firmware update for the DJI Mavic 2 series drones. I'm going to put a slide up on the screen and we'll go over it here. The date it came out was 7/7/2020. The firmware is v01.00.0670. Now, the DJI Go 4 app for iOS was v4.3.37, and the DJI Go 4 app for Android was v4.3.36. Now, here's what's new. Increased operating time of remote controller when using in low temperature environments. Updated auto discharge default setting to 2 days. Fixed occasional issue. Gimbal was unbalanced after self-check. Use gimbal auto calibration in DJI Go 4 to fix this issue. Fixed issue. Obstacle avoidance switch was unavailable when using MSDK. And the last, increased maximum transmission distance, 10 kilometers, and that would be for the US, 6 kilometers over in Europe. Okay, there has been quite a number of comments regarding this firmware update. So I did go ahead and apply this update to all three of my batteries. Now, one of the things that I do after the updates, and I think this is an important point, is I go ahead and I recalibrate the IMU, and I also go ahead and recalibrate the gimbal before I go out and fly. So let's go ahead and roll the clip where I flew it today.
All right, we have a quick flight here. Everything's looking good. About 400 feet out. Hitting 800 feet, still looking good. A little over 100 feet. Right at 1,300 feet, we're going to do a return to home. Of course, this is after the latest firmware update. We're checking everything out here and seeing how it's doing. $800 feet out. Let's see how we do with precision landing here. Now, I did calibrate the IMU. I did recalibrate the gimbal. Looks like we're going to be spot on here. Okay, spot on. Okay, no issues with that. We're going to go ahead, going to hit record. Let's take off again. Do a quick trip to the other end of the lake. I like to let it loiter for a minute. To about 100 feet. I gotta look in the shade here because I can't see. There are some thunderstorms in the area, so I'm going to make this very brief. Thousand feet out. You probably see there's rain in the distance there. It's recording at 4K, 30 frames per second. 1,800 feet. 2,000 feet. Approaching the edge of the lake. And we're going to stop. We're going to do a return to home and land. Everything's looking good. 1,500 feet. Getting back will probably be sooner rather than later. Will be good here. And let's adjust the pitch of the gimbal. Let's go over the water here. Now's the time to adjust the pitch of the gimbal. There we go. See how we do with precision landing here. Even in the wind, I think we're still gonna hit it. Yep, sure are. All right, that concludes this test of the emergency broadcast system. All right.
As you can see, I had no issues today. I took it to the short end of the lake. I took it to the far end of the lake. Absolutely no issues. No issues with transmission whatsoever. Everything was rock solid, and this was even in the midst of a thunderstorm. Question of the day. Have you updated your DJI Mavic 2 to the new firmware yet? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise